So here we are today. We are testing out this. It is made in China. It actually doesn't even say what it is on here. And the settings are different from what the directions say. This has off, low, middle, and high. It is supposed to be the like volumizing, straightening, blow drying thing. And Mom tried it on her own once, and it did straighten.
Quite well.
Very well?
Really well.
Okay. However, it did not volumize. No. So our plan today is we dampened her hair, and our plan is that perhaps if I am doing it, I'll do it a little differently, and maybe we'll get more volume. So let's see if that works. Okay, so let's try it. Let's go medium, and then should we... Oh, and we're going to hear Elizabeth's toy in the background too, because why not? Okay, do you want to hold this for a second? I'm going to divide your hair. So I'm just going to do like the lower part first.
And that song will be in our head for the rest of the day.
Oh yeah, I can imitate it really well. We'll do that later.
Okay, shall we turn?
Yeah, thank you. Okay, let's start. Sorry.
What?
Just hoping I wasn't like pulling out your actual hair.
No.
Yeah, so very straightened. Not so sure if we're volumizing.
So that's why though at the roots now we have to make sure we spend more time there to make the volume, right?
Yeah. Yeah, so we straightened it. Yeah, we dried it and straightened it. Elizabeth! Did she drop her, John?
Yeah, she did. Elizabeth is probably in her lap. Hi, baby cake. Hi. Do you want your hair done next? Yeah.
Okay. So
we need to curl it now.
Yeah, we do. I'm sorry. I really thought.
I think I still need to play more with it.
I agree. Yeah, we're not saying like don't use this or but
right, because I think like what I'm gonna try to do is like maybe do like this.
But I feel like that's what I was doing. But from soaking wet, do we think that's
not soaking though? I think just damp, but I don't know.
I don't know either. All right. Well.
Four.
That never gets annoying. Ever. You just love hearing that. Hey guys. So we are going to try my mom's / my blow dry straightening volumizer. Alright, so my fear is the same as hers. Well, the same as what hers turned out to be. Look guys, my thing's growing back. I cut off my widow's peak and it's growing back and it looks terrible. Awesome. Okay, so we are going... Oh, I'm just dropping everything. Fine. Okay, so we are going to use this and hope that... we pretty much know that it straightens, but will it volumize? Didn't really volumize her hair. The only thing I just used my regular shampoo, and then I used this, I always use this, the Sally Hirschberger Plump Up Collagen Thickening Mist. It's just like a heat protectant and like a volumizing thing. It's what I normally use on my hair, but we're going to see if it works today. And we did hers on middle. We're going to do mine on middle. Elizabeth is here with us, obviously. Okay, so I'm going to section off my hair like I did with hers. Just kind of do 2 parts, the bottom and the top. And let's see how this works. We're going on middle. That took 7.5, 8 minutes. I'll write the time below. And then I will do my hair my usual way, which is, I don't know how many, I think this is an inch and a half, I'd say, metal round brush and a blow dryer. So I'll do that and see how long that takes me. So for my hair, I would say this absolutely straightens, but again, I wouldn't say that it volumizes necessarily. I mean, it's got some volume. I just mean, like, I think I get this much volume from a round brush and blow dryer. I feel like this extra, like, it's definitely straight. So I feel like if you don't want a ton of volumizing, but you do want just straightening and blow drying, I do think it's good. But I can say now that for super fine hair, it's not doing much in the way of volumizing. So yes to straightening and blow drying, no to volumizing. I wouldn't say it's easier than blow drying with a round brush. I'd say it's about the same. So I'll leave my time below for my normal blow dry because I will check that the day after tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so I just wanted to do a quick check-in. I just blow dried my hair with my 1.5 inch round brush, and I used the same Plump It Up spray that I used with the other contraption, and I do have a little more volume this way, and I know that I can, you know, like, use a straightener if I want to sort of, you know, like, straighten any pieces, but I feel like on the whole this has more body, and this body lasts me longer throughout the day than it does with this. So yeah, just my thoughts and my experience. I will definitely do another video if I can get my sister-in-law to try it, because she has she also has fine hair, but she still has a lot of it. It's long and it's naturally wavy. So, and I have to say that that this really does make your hair very soft. So I feel like if you're someone who has maybe more like coarse, curly, thicker hair, this actually really could work. Just for me, it is easier. I've tried it a couple times since. That was my original try that you just saw. But I've used it a couple times since, and it's just, I don't think it's designed exactly for like my type of hair. I really think it is more of a straightening, smoothing type thing and less volumizing. Even though it looks like it would be, it's just not. So anyways, yeah, just wanted to share that with you and just kind of show you. And yeah, I know that it was very soft and smooth, but this has like a little bit more grit to it, and this will stay more volumized for longer during the day. So it was worth a shot. If you have any suggestions or criticisms, just be nice, okay? Be nice. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.